me and to share further information with them and receive their updates on investigation conducted into the specific cases. NDC Parliamentary Caucus and the government blocked the briefing and shielded the security and intelligence agencies from accountability and denied them the opportunity to collaborate with me. What are they hiding? Whereas Kwachu Fosu confirmed my claims of the entry and departure of the 2 suspicious flights as true, the reason provided by Kwachu Fosu in respect of their purpose of entry are incoherent, questionable, and cannot be taken seriously. The government has since failed to provide responses to the status of the 12 containers filled with gold and currencies confiscated by the National Security on February 9th. The government has also failed to provide responses on the status of investigations made into the high-profile cocaine bust, totaling 500 million, 350 million, and the 150 million respectively. In view of the above, the disingenuous response from government spokesperson, they are bent on hiding information and evading accountability. Our country cannot be allowed to be suddenly turned into a hub for cocaine and money laundering. They must come again. MP ni say, Ode Kwachu Fosu say na no pay ya. Krata omudi invite no mfa meto abontima Ghana fo nyina hu. Na entromu drug kese pa na branch na bitwa. Onu mbom kra ye propose akọ parliament. Second parliament man kwan. Na ye invite security agencies no. Na komuni omuntra no omunye hwehwemu no omumu a omo. Ose majority are blocking sa de na de koy no. Ama security agencies no majority in parliament are mama. Afi omo asa be twa omo se omo invite ono wanko. Hey. Interesting days ahead of us.
And made for no so the statement aba. Made was one loop from.
We mo.
Almost so do almost statement aba so mo play ne buy no. You know ne buy no ba ko di kan buy no e benya problems.
That was
Orlando wo kutuka no. Na omokra no mo say Ghana 4 person mo check here. Omo check other airports. We mra play neighbor no. Or yes, several stops airport bebre fuel and san obedru Ghana I say. No babedru ye no omo ehun say onya technical problem. And you know say another rupre foforo. Eswa rupre no ho spare pass. They na say e ba ye be say no.
E de bra no mo de ye.
E de ba no de engineers ka ho no mo ba no mo be ye. Tenu ntine ma plane no. E be ka ha say ya. Esaso sisa ni
Ahmed no omo na airplane ni omo de.
Omo na airplane ni omo de.
So omo say there was a fault.
Into omo de spare pass.
Into the spare pass ba be here ya. Asante say baby.
You know, among turbans and I say they can only be and afford to pay.
Enti Asante whether they are claiming or not. One more replay. Omo say bibi any.
Omo dey be. You can see a man of that how. No what me say no press bibi exchange because wa ayo man na e chichire
but asema on say senya no MP ni be kai no say replay bi nu bi aba na in strange circumstances no moa
no correct but no question is
ka say apa e bai na mom de onu ni claim say cocaine
ni say na man
na isi sika di cocaine say apa so mo de bai no ma twa free ma wan anim
ena me make say ntini kwan say so
na no cross yes say na magu plane mo de koy
enu so no mo ma chire mo
ai ba ku be na Kwachu Fosu claim say Rwanda for plane
Rwanda
and I say mo export no mo ni say international
Rwanda
flight
Rwanda
permit Ghana hana I say so mo nya o mo yes anya say o mo ntimi mfa goods no nko Europe there and I'm say
I don't know o be for export from Rwanda
Adeakye Abia ni say Adeakye Abia ni say flight no when say technicalities and I say nsempio ma won say o mai we won wo aviation ho ankasa na
and etiase
yeah betiase because I say na yeah na ya say
mama ya dwuna ye kesere but here you are is it the case to say the Reverend was invited by the agencies and he did not attend. Here the Reverend is saying, say,
yeah, invite.
Kwakye Fosu lied, telling Ghanaians say it's chicken out. Or being invited. Now or there. To say many times, I dare you to produce a document that says, what to suffer from mama.
What to preacher say?
It's also for Kwakye so. More on tone form. Over Krata and
Kwakye Fosu here and it's a facial press conference, social media deal. Or claim say, Minister no, I say MP no kase o kache and say at that time no kasa he wasn't speaking as an individual.
They were speaking as a caucus.
What?
As a minority caucus. Nti on address say caucus no on their behalf.
Yeah or no so, as an individual. Nti
caucus ni nyina the letter by say they are ready to cooperate. Nti omo emma omo ene the security agencies ni nyina mom address Ghana for na the omo minority no mo no omo fanto Ghana for ni mo fanto media de na security for no so inform de ento omo ba me de akweta de we no ba bi amadwene kika kwa ne say ye mo boy ho for another okugyetu black a oba bedwa yasum ena play we yetu afa ha ne boy say okay okugyetu wo position na
is for your supreme I take you over
it's the likes of Intim Fojo, the likes of Asifua or Uniokuma Asifua, the likes of my Boakye Refinidi. Sa nipa de miensa. Akotaya mo boy won say on the my okugyetu black one episode any friends Baakye no so e parliament a 1-2 no ma ba bonti no ma be kasa the same thing no mo be boy
asema be to justice here say entity e ba no say